Okay, folks, welcome back. I got another product review to bring to you today, sent to me by, I believe, SANSI, but I'm not 100% sure because I did not open the package, but they have been sending me some products to review, and I think it's by them. We'll have to open it and see what it is. So, let's open this up. And I don't know what it is, guys. I honestly don't know what this is. Just give me a split. Okay, so this product is a product made by SGLEDs. I'm assuming that is SANSI lighting. Or maybe they changed their company name. No, it's still SANSI. So, as you can see, it came in a box like this. See, it still says SANSI, but SGLEDs. I'm not 100% sure what this is. I know it's lighting, but I mean, I don't know. Is it household lighting or grow lighting? We're going to open this and find out because I don't know myself. So whatever this product is, comes in a box of 4. I guess that's how you order them, a box of 4. And if you're going to be buying lighting for your house, for your fixtures and everything, you're going to want to use all LED. You don't want to fluctuate incandescent, fluorescent, and LED in different parts of your house. You want to kind of keep that, at least that one circuit with all either LED, fluorescent, or incandescent. You want to keep them the same. So let's open it up. Here's the card that it came with. Don't know what that says yet because I'm not really focusing on that. There's a card. You get 4 of these bulbs. Okay, so let's open one up and see what it is. It's packed very good, by the way. You don't want stuff to open up in a box when you're getting it shipped. Wow, look at this thing. Nothing else in the box. That's all it is the bulb. Again, guys, when you're spending the kind of money you're spending on this lighting, though it's not that much money, but when you're spending the higher cost for lighting on these bulbs, save your boxes, guys. Don't throw them out. You may need to return them. I keep all my boxes, so when I move or I need to put stuff into storage, it's in square boxes. They stack so nicely. It's not just piles and bags and one box overflowing with cords hanging out of it. It's so much nicer. If you could take the bulb, if you're going to put it back into storage for any reason, maybe you're moving, you want to take your bulbs with you, and I highly recommend doing that. If you put the bulb back in the box, you got your little cardboard thing here, put it there, boom, bang, boom, boom. Now you can put that in the storage. You can bang all over your U-Haul trailer. No problems. You're not going to damage anything. So anyway, this is what it looks like. Okay. And it's the same type of cooling technology as the other bulbs, as you see I have here. This technology is basically works off of convection, and it's pretty much sufficient as far as keeping it cool because the LEDs don't use generally that much power, so you can definitely keep it cool by convection. But again, if you're using these for grow lights, I would highly recommend you use a fan in your house just for air circulation. It's always a good idea. But there's a lot of little LEDs on this thing. Oh, all right, so let's talk about the bulb. So right in the front here, this is a diffuser. You really want that in there. It kind of gives it more of a nice glowing effect. So you definitely want a good diffuser in there. The very center is your convection air cooling. This white thing right here, that's a ceramic disc. That's what absorbs the heat and allows it to come off nice and safely. And as you can see, I believe it's called an E26 base. This is a standard light socket base. You can screw into a regular light. It feels like it's pretty good quality. And there is electronics on the inside. I can't take it apart to see what it is. Or I would read to you the type of chips they're using. I don't know if they want me to do that. But anyway, let's plug this in. Got my handy dandy little makeshift little light cord. Take my glasses off. You don't want your glasses on if you accidentally look at one of these lights. These lights are blind you guys, seriously. They're way more powerful than stuff I was used to. Whew! Wow, that thing's got some kick on it, man. Woo, look at that, guys. Holy smokes, this thing, seriously? This thing's pretty powerful. How many watts is it? I gotta check the watts on this, but I mean, seriously, guys, look at this. That is bright, man. That is seriously bright. Okay, let me... Okay, so some of the details on here, and I'll hold them up for you. So that's some of the details. You could read for yourself. This is model C21BB TAE26, 12 watt. That, guys, that little bulb was 12 watts. That's pretty something else there. That's pretty powerful for 12 watts, my goodness. It's regular standard 120 volt, E26 base like I told you. CRI is 80. It's not dimmable. Guys, these bulbs, because they're using a certain type of electronics in there, you cannot dim these bulbs. If you put these bulbs inside of a light fixture and you have a dimmable switch, you could have issues with the bulb. It's not going to burn your house down, but the bulb won't work correctly. It'll blink, just won't work correctly. They're not designed for that kind of thing. That circuitry inside that bulb needs 100% power. You can't pull down on that power. These rheostatic switches are known to cause problems with LEDs, so if you got that light kind of lighting, plug it in, screw the bulb into a regular fixture and see if you still have a problem with the bulb. If it doesn't do that, it's your dimmable switch that you may be having issues with. So you don't need to return a bulb because it's defective. You just need to screw it into a different fixture without a rheostatic switch. And that's really about it. It says here's the aluminum flux is 1600 lumens, and the Kelvin is 5,000 Kelvin. That's what that is. That's now for growing wise. When we're talking about growing plants, you want to be anywhere between 4,200 Kelvin and 7,600 Kelvin. Anything too high in either one of those ranges, and you're starting to get too much infrared on either end, your plants ain't going to do good. And in general, you don't want that. But the best optimal range for growing would be like 7,200 or something. That's your best optimal range in the Kelvin range. That's the full balanced spectrum. But this is 5,000. But that's still good. You could still grow with this. But now, when we're coming into interior decorating, when we're talking about lighting for your home and you're painting your house with different colors, guys, keep in mind, when you're painting your house with different colors, the different types of lighting are going to give you a different type of an effect. So keep in mind that 5,000 Kelvin is going to change the look of the color of your room. And that goes for whether it's LED or not. Any bulb you use is going to start to change the color of your room. Just make sure you're happy with that. A lot of the coloring and color selections selected by interior designers are based on lighting, believe it or not, because your lighting is going to make a huge difference on what that color of that paint actually looks like. I mean, paint could look like, could have 100 different looks between A and B here. It's depending on that lighting, it's going to really change. So just keep that in mind. If you're just going to be using this for house lighting, you're going to get a different effect on your color of your room. And if you just got a white room, you're fine. This is beautiful for that. But if you're going to use it, just keep that in mind. It might change the color for you. You may or may not like it, but I just figured I'd bring that up. I can't even begin to describe to you. That is, wow. I mean, can I just do it for a second, guys? Just 1 second. Whoop. Do you see how bright that is? I mean, it's causing my shutters to close on there. I mean, that is, I cannot believe, this is 12 watts we're talking about here. We're not talking about a 90 or 100 watt bulb here. We're talking about 12 watts, guys. Okay, so here it is. We got a 14 watt pigtail fluorescent light. Now, these are very standard. You can pick these up anywhere. And it doesn't tell me the Kelvin on here, but this is more in the orange range of Kelvin, if it means anything to you. It's better. It's more soft of a light for, your room colors. It gives you your room colors a little bit better of a pastel look, if that's what you're looking for. But nonetheless, this is 14 watts. Let's take a look at what 14 watts can produce. 14 watts, guys. I could stare at that thing all day. It wouldn't bother me. Is it bothering you on your eyeballs? That's 14 watts. Okay? 14 watts, right? Now let's take a look at what 12 watts LED looks like. Look at the difference. LED technology is literally mind-blowing. I mean, you can see the difference. I'll even hold it up on you. Now, the higher you hold this up, the softer the light becomes, just so you know. It becomes very... I can't describe this. I can see like the hairs of my fingers. It's so clear and easy with my eyes. I wear glasses, guys, because I'm farsighted, so it's very hard for me to read and see small details. But this light, I can actually see the hairs of my fingers pretty well, even through the glasses. Without the glasses, I struggle but even with the other light, I'm still struggling through glasses. This light is so beautiful, guys. This is what I'm going to be using from now on when I shoot my videos for my tomato reviews. But that's really about it, guys. I mean, again, this is a very, very good product. I'm very pleased with LED technology itself. SANSI, they're a wonderful company to deal with as far as their customer service. All right, so I'll leave you links in the description where you can go to Amazon to pick this product up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.